Little sun hanging out. There you have it. That's the completed product. Welcome back, guys. Yeah, got the TC, my daily valve cover gasket's leaking, so we're going to fix that today. And apparently I didn't paint the valve cover right last time. I thought I took all the right steps, but I guess not. So we're going to strip that down and repaint that too. So yeah, let's get to it and I'll show you how to do everything. It's fairly simple to do valve cover gaskets on these. It's literally all 10mm bolts all the way around. Take all of them off, pry it off. It should come right off. And then we're going to put this gasket on and then bolt it all back in. So yeah, let's get to it. Tell them what's wrong. Okay, so spark plugs are covered in oil because the valve cover gasket was also leaking into this spark plug tubes. As you can see there, and there, which means I need new spark plugs. So I'm gonna go to the store and buy new spark plugs. We'll take up more whenever we get back. And here I was worried I didn't have content for today, or a lot of content. All right, so back from the parts store, got my spark plugs. I also picked me up some aircraft paint remover. So yeah, like I said, all the bolts are all 10mm. You got like 3 or 4 on the back side. You got 4 on the front side. Yeah, you got 1 there that holds the wire. The 2 in the middle. The other one that holds the wire. Then the 4 that holds the plugs. Brain fart, the coil packs. Alright, so after that, pull the hoses. After you pull the 2 vacuum hoses, this should just lift off like so. Alright, and that is that. Gasket looks fine. So I'm not sure why it was leaking, but yeah, it's leaking. So, motor still looks nice and clean though. I'm going to try and clean out the spark plug holes, and then clean up some of this flaked paint. As you can see, it's flaking as I'm talking. I'm going to do all that, put the new cover on, clean up everything. Like you see, it was leaking right there because that's where all the water is. Hopefully I didn't get too much water inside from washing it. But yeah, so I'm going to clean this up and then I'll go to the next step. Like I said, obviously it's going to smoke. That was a lot of oil inside each cylinder, or spark plug cylinder. Yeah. So I got the valve cover eaten up by some paint remover. That should be done in a little bit. Put that over it to block it from the dog trying to sniff it and getting some on his nose possibly. So yeah, after that's done, wash it down, dry it off, primer, base coat, and then yeah, it's turned into something way more than what I wanted it to, but whatever, it's content for you guys. So yeah, I'll show you guys cleaning it off and then applying the primer. I'm gonna scuff it down. Ooh, got some water on the lens. I'm gonna scuff it down with some sandpaper, hit it with some brake clean, and then throw some primer on it. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that. I'll show you the finished results. I don't think you guys want to see me do all that. I'll let you see what it is before I put it on the car. Welcome back to day 2, guys. Yeah. It's bright. I don't know if you can see it with my glasses, but it's bright. I love it. There it is. Look how bright yellow. So there's a few imperfections there and there, but that's in the actual valve cover metal. I didn't really feel like sanding it down, putting metal filler in it, all that other stuff. So I just said, F it. It's not a show car, it's a daily car. Didn't even have to paint it to begin with, but I just wanted to. It looks nice. So yeah, I used flame-proof primer. I used flame-proof white. And then I finish it off with Krylon fluorescent bold neon for high visibility. I hope that it doesn't bake off or turn brown because of the heat. I've seen some other people use this color and they've had good results. Hopefully, since I used the 2 flame proofs before, should be good. So yeah, let's put the gasket on and put it all back together and go from there. Alright, I can already tell you that that gasket fits way better than the last gasket. I don't know what was wrong with it. I mean, I got a remanufactured motor, so maybe they just cheaped out and used some cheap gaskets. But yeah, all I gotta do is put everything back together now. You guys can tag along and watch. If this ever happens to you guys, make sure you take the little boots off to the end and clean it up, because look at all that oil. That's just going to make it all run stupid again. You guys have it. I got a new oil cap, but I ordered the wrong one, so I gotta take it back and get the right one. But yeah, don't forget your hoses. And yeah, I'll take some nice little after shot pictures and post them on Instagram for you guys. Yeah, I hope you like it, because I do. It looks good. I'll clean it up again real quick and take some better photos. But yeah, more videos coming soon. Still got that giveaway. Still haven't officially announced it yet. I'm waiting on one more part to get here. He told me that it should have been shipped this week, but it's coming from overseas, so COVID and everything, I don't know how long that's going to take. But once I get that part here, I will make a video and it'll be an official giveaway. It will be for the Del Sol guys because it's Del Sol parts. But yeah, I'll announce that later. But I am going to make a couple more videos this weekend, hopefully, post them up throughout the week. And then we'll go from there. But yeah, more Del Sol content soon. It's a mess. Spiders everywhere. Yeah, we won't get into that now. But yeah, see you guys next time.